Hello everyone. Welcome back to our tech tutorials. Whenever you forgot your password, you can easily find it, but how? In this video I am going to show you how to check the password for all your social media accounts. If this is your first visit, please subscribe to this channel to get notified about our new updates. First of all, open your Gmail app. Tap on your profile picture at the top right corner, then tap on Google account. In the next page, tap on search bar and type in the word Password Manager. Select Password Manager among the drop-down options. Now you can see all accounts you have signed in. Select the account you want to view its password. For instance, if I want to check the password for my Facebook account, I will just tap on it. Then you need to verify your fingerprint or input your phone lock. Now I can see my Facebook login details. If you want to view the password, tap on the I app. Here I have 3 different X accounts, and I can view all their passwords respectively. We hope you enjoy this beautiful video. Please like and share it for others to benefit.